How to use Tinder safely. Well, to use Tinder safely, there are certain things that you need to prioritize. You can prioritize protecting personal information, staying on the app's platform initially, meeting in public places, and such. Well, there are certain online safety tips. Never share sensitive information like your social security number, home or work address, or banking details with strangers. Even details about your daily routine, example the gym you visit every Monday or every day, can pose a risk. Similarly, what you want to do is keep conversations within the Tinder app while getting to know someone. Scammers often try to move the conversation to external messaging apps, text, or email right away to avoid the app's safety measures. Also, never send money or share financial information even if the person claims to be in an emergency. Be cautious of profiles that seem too good to be true, ask for money, or refuse to video chat. Also, look for profiles with a blue check mark, which indicates they are photo verified by Tinder. So blue check mark on Tinder basically means the person is verified on Tinder. So basically you can see this profile doesn't have the verified mark, so it can be fake. So you want to look for profiles that are verified. So as you can see, this is photo verified, so this means this person is real, so you can proceed to connect with them. Block and report any user who violates Tinder's community guidelines or makes you feel uncomfortable. Avoid connecting your main social media accounts like Instagram or Facebook to your Tinder profile, as this can provide too much identifiable information to strangers. Hope this video is helpful. Do like and subscribe.